If you are growing indeterminate tomato plants, cucumbers, or other vining crops, I have a simple tool to help keep your trellising neat and manageable. Are you tired of your tomatoes dragging on the ground? This is a simple tool that's going to keep your tomatoes off of the dirt and thriving all season. This is the Vine Buddy. These are 3 simple pieces that fit together. And so you just slide it in the end. And there's some resistance because you don't want it to come out. But it does just slide in the end. And then what you have is a T for your vines to sit on. And then these circles make it to where it stops at the dirt at the same spot on either side. Easy installation, even if you have vines already. So it's ideal if you do this at the beginning of the season, but I did this mid-season because I didn't realize I had a problem until my problem was here. So these have helped a lot. An easy install, whether it's before or mid-season. Laying these vines down instead of letting them sprawl just keeps the whole plant healthier. It makes it easier to prune, easier to harvest, keeps these tomatoes off the dirt so it increases your production. But here's an added bonus that I have found. When you keep things off of the ground like this, you're able to grow things like turnips underneath your tomatoes. I place these about 3.5 to 4 feet along this section. So I have 7 of them in about 30 feet. That's all it takes to set it up. It's just 3 little pieces. Put it into place. You have healthier plants and an easier harvest.